What's up, guys? Today we are going to be doing my spring maintenance on my lawnmower. It is a little windy today, so the camera shakes. That's the wind. But today we will be doing checking gas, checking oil level, making sure it starts. Today I'm not going to be mowing the grass because it's too short, but I hope you guys enjoy. Okay guys, so first thing on our list to do is we're gonna check if there's gas in here. I can't really remember from last year. And she is drier than a popcorn fart. So I'm gonna grab. Okay guys, so I got some gloves.
Just in case, well, you should wear gloves anyways, because if you get gloves on your hands, if you get gas on your hand, then get the pressure out of it, the jerry can. I'm using premium because that's all I have right now, and you should run premium on your mower with these two-stroke
engines. They just run better. Okay, so we got the gas, got the nozzle here, tip it in, and oh crap! Guys, so that is what you're gonna not want to do, is fill it up too fast. That, we're just gonna have to cover that up. That was my mistake. But yeah. Okay guys, so now what we're gonna want to do is we're gonna want to check our oil level. So, let me see. Let's dip that back in there just to make sure. It could use a little more, but you know, I think that's good. So now we can start. This is a self-primed lawnmower, so I don't need to do any priming. I'm actually gonna take these off because it's easier. From what I remember, this is the where to start it. So let's see if it works. Guys, she seems to work great. I hope so because I just bought this lawnmower last year. So, and can use it for lawn mowing season for the JJ's mowing. And yeah, I'll put you guys in another view for the start. Guys, also another thing that you should do with your lawnmower that I will be doing, but I'm not going to show it in this video, is to sharpen your blades. Because I know that mine, after my whole lawn mowing season last year, it was terrible. So I'm gonna have to sharpen that. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Guys, like and subscribe